What's up, Breaking Chart Alerts? It is Phil. Hey, I am here to give you guys a gift. Well, not really a gift, just sharing some information. I know you saw on the group that we are going to be giving away a free 1-year membership. Yep, that's right. We're giving away a free 1-year membership. And I know you're probably asking, how do I get that free year membership? It's incredibly simple, and I'm actually going to show you how to do that right now. So let me go ahead and boop. We are on the website. We are on breakingchartalerts.com, and the best way to make some money, heck, you can even make $500 off of this, and you don't even have to spend any money. It's essentially just tell your friends, tell your people that you work with, tell people that you think could benefit from stock options trading. It's really, really simple. Affiliate marketing, I know a lot of people groan and grunt about it, but it is essentially, it works. And so let's go ahead and show you guys how to become an affiliate on breakingchartalerts.com. So we have the website open. Here we go. And what we're going to do, we're going to scroll all the way to the very, very bottom here and click on affiliates, right? All right. So and this is actually, you can get 20% commission based off of whatever plan they get. And like I mentioned, you can get $500 because essentially the year membership is $2,500, and so you can get $500 just based off of that one recommendation saying, hey John, hey Bill, I would love for you to become a member of Breaking Chart Alerts. So let's go ahead and go. Click this link and sign up, and boom. It's super easy. You can use your Facebook, you can use your Twitter, you can use your Instagram. Be creative, guys. I know you guys are creative. You guys are all super smart minds like we all are here. So put that to good use. And we actually are going to be giving away 1 year free membership, right? And so how do we do that besides signing up? So we do have one tiny threshold. So if you can get five signups, doesn't matter whatever package that you can get. So anything above 5, you will be entered into the contest. And so the most person that gets those signups will get the 1 year free membership. So let's go, let's sign up and show you what it looks like. Here we go. All right, become an affiliate, click here. All right, so you just enter all your information, all that down, your username, email, first name, last name, password, and then you can actually enter your avatar, all that stuff. But I'm actually I actually am already signed up. So let me go ahead and show you what mine is. I'm already an affiliate, so let me just sign in. Okay. I am in. Boom, here's the affiliate page. Really, really simple information, guys. And then only thing you do for your profile, you go to your payment settings, and you can go ahead and select, type in your bank information, all that stuff. Don't look at mine. But here's your affiliate link. This is probably the most important thing here. This is the link that you are going to be sharing to your friends, to your family, whoever you want to recommend that they sign up. So here's the link, and here's what happens when they click the link. Boom. It opens up a new window. So now they can do anything on the page. So now the website knows that you are the person that recommended. So if they do sign up, you get that 20% commission. So let's exit out of this real quick. Here's your referrals. Obviously, I don't have any referrals yet because I just made my account, but pretty soon you're going to see this go up and up and up and up. And your payments, and boom. All you have to do, this is how you see it. So just share that link to all your people that you would love to help us and you would love to join in to Breaking Chart Alerts. It's pretty simple, guys. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be giving away 1 free year membership. That's pretty much a $2,500 value if they just bought the whole plan right off to the bat. But if they just buy the monthly plan, that's a $3,000 value that we're going to be giving away for you. All you have to do is just share it with a friend, share it with the family, share it with somebody that you think could benefit from Breaking Chart Alerts. So it's pretty simple, and I really appreciate you guys. So don't forget to head to breakingchartalerts.com, scroll all the way down to the bottom, and there you have it. Become an affiliate. That's how you get 1 year free membership. We'll catch you later. Bye.